I'm sure you've heard that people say, that Yiddish is dead or dying. What do you think about that?
Well, I don't think that's true, and certainly what you're accomplishing here is putting a whole different turn to that. I guess you could say you're resuscitating it here. I think that the fact that there are Jewish studies showing up all across the country, there's an interest in the literature again. It's rolling along. I can't say enough about what Aaron Lansky has done.